Traders, George here, and just a couple of things. First of all, live room recap. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week, we did about 2 hours each morning. So in 6 hours, had a pretty decent equity curve coming in just under 2,300 bucks. Now yesterday was an FOMC rate decision day. As I mentioned, of all the econ reports, that's the one that can lock up the day trade markets the most. It's not a big deal for position trading, but historically it clamps down price action, and you can see a little bit of a nod to that with some red ink here. But you know, we had a good run on Tuesday. That was a pretty darn good session there, and we had a good morning today, putting us in just under 2,300 bucks. Remember, this is only through about 6 hours of trading here, so as far as the expectancy goes and time in the market, some really good stuff there. Now, the other thing we talked about that's really important, this is never going away, is you have to trade what you see. It's got to be visually driven off of a chart. There has to be repeatable visual occurrences that you follow, whether you're a DSR, Spitfire, balance beam trader, our models, or you've got one that you think you've put together that is the bee's knees. It better all be visually driven. Looked at how you create your setups and signals, done some testing to see if there's expectancy there, and sim trade it to build that further belief before you go live. The other camp of traders out there, what are they doing? They're trading what they feel, think, and hear. Emotion, fundamentals. They're not trading with any consistency. They're never part of any expectancy, the flow of expectancy. When you have a visually driven signal, that's something that's repeatable, and you can find historical performance and current performance that's supported by particular market action. So with all that coming together, you have immense belief to follow through and do exactly what I was doing over the last 6 hours, right? Those last 3 days. The link at the bottom of this video. Use it. Go into the room next Tuesday through Thursday. You can see more of the trades that I put on to capture these kinds of profits. There's a wrap up for the last 3 days. Stay tuned for a weekend recap video and another week ahead video coming up in the next day or two. That'll do it for now. We'll see you guys back in the live room.